To make a payment for your Walmart Rewards card, follow these simple steps. First, go to the Walmart website and log in to your account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you can create one by clicking on the register option and following the prompts. Once you are logged in, click on the Walmart Rewards card section and select the Make a Payment option. You will be directed to a page where you can view your current balance and payment due date. Choose your payment method, which can be a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Enter the payment amount you wish to make, which can be the minimum payment, the full balance, or any amount in between. Review your payment information to ensure everything is correct. Then click the Submit button to complete the payment process. You can also make a payment over the phone by calling the customer service number on the back of your card. Have your card information and payment details ready, and a representative will assist you with making a payment. Additionally, you can make a payment in person at any Walmart store. Visit the customer service desk and let them know you would like to make a payment on your Walmart Rewards card. They will guide you through the process and provide you with a receipt as proof of payment. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can also set up automatic payments to ensure your payments are made promptly. To do this, log into your account and select the Automatic Payments option. Then follow the prompts to set up the payment schedule. By following these steps, you can easily make a payment for your Walmart Rewards card and enjoy the benefits of using the card, such as earning rewards points and cashback on your purchases. Remember to always review your payment information carefully and make your payments on time to get the most out of your Walmart Rewards card.